I'm Dan Rehal, President and founder of Vision2Voice Healthcare Communications. Vision2Voice Healthcare Communications is an agency that partners with pharmaceutical and biotech companies. There was a time as a new business owner that I felt there's no way I could do a 401k program for my people. This would not be a viable option. But when ShareBuilder 401k program was introduced to me, it made perfect sense for us to do this. I just didn't realize it was such an accessible product for a small business like mine. So it was about 15 years ago that our company started, and it was 6 months later that we brought in ShareBuilder 401k into our company. And it started with 1 employee, and then 2 employees, and so forth. And we developed a very simple process that evolved with each new employee over time. So as we have scaled our organization, the administration really hasn't increased. There were a lot of reasons I chose ShareBuilder 401k. I think one of the more compelling reasons was at the time, ShareBuilder 401k was offering exchange-traded funds, ETFs. And I was so impressed that they weren't trying to make a lot of money off of our employees, offering all of these expensive mutual fund options. They had done their homework and it provided all these unique ETFs, which provide a very low cost to our employees. Everybody I've worked with and have met through ShareBuilder 401k has real passion for the product, have real passion for helping our employees save and do the best that we can do as an organization. And when you meet an organization of people that care so much about my team and our employees, that right there should be reason enough for anybody to want to choose ShareBuilder 401k.